It is Sunday, February 23rd, 2025. I decided to sleep in today and relax. I came downstairs, I got some breakfast. Then I just laid up in my room, going through the edit of the first scene of Riker. But then, since I didn't go to the pool yesterday, I decided to go today. Of course, as soon as I lay out, the hottest guy at the hotel decides to come out. Oy vey. Very good looking. Nice tattoo as well. Anyways, I got some bad news. Back in December last year, 2024, I posted about my aunt and uncle that were in a house fire. Hi. So stay. That's how you say hello in Cambodia. Anyways, I had posted that my aunt and uncle had a house fire that resulted in my uncle being burned alive. Very disheartening. And it was part of the reason why when we had all the fires in LA, my family was freaking out. Especially because one of the fires was close to me. So we had this fire. It displaced my aunt. She was living in a hotel while she was trying to rebuild her life. And I guess no one had heard from her for a couple of days, so there was a wellness check done on her. And when the cops came to the hotel room, they found her dead. So 2 months later, after the fire, my aunt has passed away. So we don't know anything right now. She's in Florida. I'm in Cambodia. My family lives in the Midwest and in Orange County in California. So right now we just don't have a lot of information to go on. I'm going to take it easy today. I'm having a mental day. That's what I was doing. I am also getting my tattoo today. So, I mean, that's kind of exciting. Right now I'm going to go grab some lunch and I'm going to have a drink in my aunt's honor. And I don't know. But it's like funny because I just posted about it on Facebook and my friend's like, bro, you can't get a break. And I'm like, it's just like my dog just died, you know, then my uncle passed away and now this, and it's just like, you know, I'm trying really hard to not like, woe is me, because at the end of the day, it's like, I'm taking 3 weeks and traveling through Southeast Asia. I understand how blessed I am. Please don't think that. I'm just saying that, like, at this point, it's like, whenever time the phone rings, I'm like, what else could it possibly be, right? So, but with that said, rest in peace, Aunt Debbie. I love you. You'll forever be in my heart, and I hope that you are doing better and in a better place. So, rest in peace. So I'm sitting on the corner, waiting for all the cars and tuk-tuks to pass. I think I'm gonna go to not the Sky Bar because they don't open till 3, but I think I'm gonna go to that bar there at the hotel and see, because I like that place. And they have Wi-Fi. The food is good. The beers are cheap. And the food is good. So I feel bad because every time I come to the hotel, the guys are like, oh, well, tuk-tuk take you around the town. And I was like, I should totally go, but I've seen everything except for the museum, but most of the things I want to do, I can walk to. I actually really enjoy walking. So unless I went really far, there's no need for it. I'm sorry, you guys. As I get run over, hold on. Okay, this is for you, Aunt Debbie. Rest in peace, and today I celebrate your life. Okay, so I had the chicken burger again. It's really good there. And fries. Oh, I'm walking. I'm good. Thank you. Sorry, every time I get on the phone, they see me walking. Tuk-tuk goes by. The food here is really good. And can I say, both between here and Vietnam, the portions always seem really small, and then I eat them, and I'm like, you know what, I'm actually not hungry. Like, it's interesting to be at a place where they actually manage portions. Like, I feel like I eat, but I don't feel like I overeat. And that's actually a really nice feeling. I had to stop for a minute because I met these two really sweet old ladies from England, So, and they're getting ready to go to Vietnam, to Ho Chi Minh City. So I was telling them some of the things that I did while I was there. But they're very sweet. And I told them about Grab. And I think that's important. They should do that. So it says it's supposed to rain by 1. It might. It's supposed to rain, I think, for the next couple of days. So this place is a place that plays really loud music at night when I'm trying to sleep. Boo. It's a seafood and barbecue restaurant. Anyways, I'm at the hotel now. Time to chill before my tattoo appointment. Okay, so I'm officially walking over to get my tattoo. I tried to hire the tuk-tuk guy. He's like, it's just walk. And I was like, okay. I mean, it's a $2 tuk-tuk, so. It's funny because I did it last time. But it's okay. I don't have to bring any extra money. Those guys are cute. There's a lot of cute guys here today. Especially the one that's in my hotel. I think he's not American. I think he's probably from somewhere else. Maybe Australia. I was hoping to hear an accent because that would be sexy. Anyways, I have a really funny story on my way to get my tattoo. And I was telling this to Edward, and Edward says I have to mention it. But last night, after I decided to stop doing my vlog, so I was going to go to bed, I was sitting in the lobby, and my new friend, Chung, who's probably going to see this video, but him and Roshan are the two that really helped me out in this, in the hotel. And I was sitting in the lobby just because I was having a drink and finished dinner and wasn't ready to go to my room just yet. And he says, he goes, oh, I heard you do a review on the hotel. And I said, I didn't do a review yet. He goes, yeah, I saw a video. I said, you saw a video? And he goes, yeah. I said, did I say nice things? Because I said, the only issue I have with the hotel is it's so loud on the side. He goes, well, yeah, because, we're on a busy street. I go, yeah, by the way, how did you see my video? And he goes, oh, I looked you up. I used Google. I was like, okay. I said, thank you. And he goes, yeah, I saw you traveling. He goes, you're traveling for your birthday? You were just in Vietnam? And I was like, yes. And he goes, oh, okay. It was so sweet. So I was telling this to Edward, because Edward's like, I was telling him I don't really get a lot of views on my video, but it was just so random. I thought it was really funny. But it's also very sweet. So, Sean, I hope you're following my videos. If you watch this one, you're awesome, and you've been a great help. And thank you so much for everything you've done so far. I walked here, and I'm sweating like a bitch. It was an 11-minute walk. But because it's so hot and muggy, I'm sweating like crazy. So hopefully I cool down before that guy gets me. He's like, I need a few minutes. And I was like, bro, I'm literally... Oh, hold on. I'm early. Ow. It hurts a little bit. Yeah, the back of the leg is juicy. Ooh. Yeah. All right, well, the damage is done. So the whole tattoo, it was $60. I gave him $20. That's pretty standard. I was prepared to pay $80 because it's not the most intense tattoo. And look, I even got a lollipop. But here's the funny thing. I can't figure out how to open it. I've been trying. But I'm gonna go back to the hotel because I gotta clean it. And I was gonna go out, but I think tonight, just with everything that's on my mind, I think I'm just gonna go and stay in the hotel tonight and have dinner and relax. Oh no, I'm good, boss. Thank you. So I think I'm just gonna go and chill. Yeah, because the hotel's not that expensive, dinner-wise, and then I'll figure out what to do tomorrow. But look, there's dark storm clouds coming. It would be really cool if it started storming. Since I'm here, that's all I want. One little stormy storm. Oh, he's hot. Okay, I got it. Well, that's good. It's like strawberry. It's like a Dum Dum. These are the kind of suckers we have in LA. Or back in California. I'm back in the US. Oh. It's really good. I do love this right here. Those lights are so beautiful. Those lights are so beautiful. And I found out this is the Siem Reap River, which makes sense. Which is why my hotel is called the Siem Reap Riverview Residence. So, yeah. I'm basically almost there. And it wasn't finding it on the map. So I found my way back on my own. I'm very proud of myself for this. So I'm back in my room. I just showed Chong and Roshana my tattoo. They thought it was really cool. It does look good though. It hurts like a bitch though. So they couldn't put second skin on it, which is what they normally do. It covers it and keeps it. But he said the heat and humidity is just so bad. He goes that it just fills up with all the sweat. And he goes, and then when you go take it off, it takes a lot of the ink out. Well, I don't want that. He goes, it's just too dry here. So I had to come home and take a quick shower to put lotion on it, clean it up. I got to do that for like the next 3 days, and then I got to start putting Vaseline on, which is normal. So I have to get some Vaseline. The good thing is tomorrow's probably going to be a chill day. I'm probably going to take a tuk-tuk around and just see some of the city, because tomorrow's like my last day, and then I fly out first thing. No. What time? I go look. I fly out early on next Monday. Back home. My flight's at like 9 o'clock. I gotta be at the airport early as fuck. But I think my flight on Wednesday is like 1:30, so I can leave here at least by 9, I would think. So, one more day, and then, yeah. Then adios, and I'm on to a whole new country. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna relax for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, listen to that loud music next door, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and just have dinner here. My leg hurts, and it's hot and humid. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that's going to storm tonight. Because I think that'd be awesome. God, I just want one storm over here. Like one little tropical storm. That'd be amazing. So I'm sitting here in the lobby now, having some dinner. Getting just some chicken breast. Nice and late. I have a Coke. Please don't judge me. I know that we're anti-Coke. I just really needed a Coke. Because I didn't want to drink any more beer, because I'm trying to be good, so... But I figure it's a Coke in Cambodia, so it's not really doing any difference, right? I ordered ice cream again because I got it last night and it was so good. I wanted to do it again. It's only like $1.50. Okay, well. It's 10:30, and as you see, I'm sitting in the dark. I'm tired. Because I keep getting up early because the kitchen's right below me and they have to make breakfast by 6. So by 5 in the morning, they're banging and doing all kinds of stuff. So, but tomorrow is my... Tomorrow's my last day in... Tomorrow's it. Tomorrow's my last day in Cambodia, and then I'm on my way to Thailand. So I'm really excited about that. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably just maybe get a tuk-tuk and go around. I will figure it out. But then I gotta get ready and head out to the airport and get my flight. And then it all starts all over again. So I fly out on Tuesday, and then Edward flies out on Wednesday. And so hopefully there'll be a couple of days in there we can hang out. But in the meantime, my leg is kind of sore from the tattoo. So I'm going to put a little lotion on it, and then I'm going to go to bed. See you tomorrow.